This video is about how to remove the tank, because what we're going to do on this particular bike is we're going to replace the fuel sender unit. As you can see, it's quite rusty, but the same amount of work is required to get to the fuel filter, the fuel pump, etc. So I'm going to show you what's involved in removing those items, and we'll start with the tank. Now obviously we've stripped the bike down before taking the fairings off, so you'd have to do that to start with. But the next stage is to look at where the tank is attached. You have two pipes which clip in there, you just disconnect them. This is the multi-plug for the fuel pump, and then you've got these two pipes here which are your fuel feeds. It doesn't matter which pipe goes on which of the solid rigid pipes here, it doesn't matter. That's not really a problem. Okay, so what we'll do, we disconnect all of those and then we'll get to the next stage. Right, here we are then. What I've done here, I've put a couple of hose clamps on. These are normally used when you're working on brakes, but they just basically clamp the hose so that when you remove these connectors at the other end, you're not going to get fuel absolutely pour out. Now this tank is full. Yeah, typical, I know, it's full. So when I disconnect these, fuel is going to pour out if I don't put clamps on. So I put the clamps on so that now I can start the arduous task, and it is arduous, of removing these rubbers from these pieces of plastic. You can buy kits that clip in, and to be perfectly honest, I think they're brilliant. I don't know why I haven't got one on my own bike. But yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try and remove this, and then once that's removed, then I'm in the position to undo that bolt there, which allows me potentially to remove the tank. Right, so here we are on the other side of the tank, and before you pull the tank off, you've got to remove this box.